Welcome guys. This is our first lesson in our playlist JavaScript. So we will make a small or a quick overview about how it works, and we will learn together what are the main JavaScript, what are the main use of JavaScript, and several things. Let's start together. Machine understand only the binary code, like so. We'll make a small example. We have my name, which is Rami, and we'll convert it to a binary code to allow the machine to understand it. Okay, I choose to make a small schema like so to understand more and more the process. Okay, this is my name, and I will make here, for example, the binary code related to or converted like so. Okay. Okay, for now we will specify that this binary code is related to the machine. It is more understandable for the machine. If you want, you should we should, for example, make an intermediary to make the human also understand this code. Okay, like so. We'll make the intermediary between the machine or the binary code and the human. Okay, like this. Intermediary here. Still simple, don't worry. Okay, for now, we can mention that the machine use the assembly language, which is so difficult to understand. Okay, for this, we have several frameworks if you want to use. So we make here assembly, which is the lower or the low level language, like so, sorry. Okay. Now, if you want to understand more and more the code, we should have other frameworks or other language. Okay. You can name it, or you can call it high level language. The antonym of low level, which is related to the machine. For the human, we should have a high level language to understand more and more. Okay. The schema will simplify several things. For example, we have Python or JavaScript, which are high level languages we can use to understand more and more or to interact with the machine. Okay, like so, we can write here, for example, when we use the Python or JavaScript, it is more understandable. We can write, okay, understandable for the human, like so. Okay, we proceed in our schema to understand more and more the concept. Okay, like so. When we use Python or JavaScript, we can use mainly JavaScript. For now, is use the interpreter to compile the code or to understand the code. JavaScript use the interpreter, like so, to make the code understandable or to make the code clear. Or okay, for now, if you want, you can specify the use of JavaScript if you want. Okay, you can use JavaScript on web application or on several other things. Sorry. For example, you use it for the web, for the mobile, if you want. JavaScript is very rich language. Okay. can also use JavaScript, for example, to backend in order to develop backend. You can use JavaScript or desktop application if you want. Okay, desktop application. Good job. Okay, for now we can specify some frameworks that are used on web applications. For example, React.js mainly use the JavaScript, the Vue.js, also Angular. Okay, good job. Like so, and many other frameworks using Vue.js. Okay, now for the backend, if you want, you can mention mainly the Node.js and also the Nest.js if you want. It uses also the JavaScript and several frameworks. Okay, for the desktop, we have, if you want, the Electron.js, we can mention it. Okay, Electron.js, it is based on JavaScript. It is used to desktop applications. For the mobile, if you want, you can make this a small example, which is React Native if you want. It is used it used basically the JavaScript. Okay, React Native as example. Okay, like so. Or vanilla JavaScript or native JavaScript if you want. Also, we can use it for developing mobile applications. Okay, good job. It's so simple. I choose to make this schema to make things more clear. Okay. Now JavaScript uses the interpreter to make the code understandable. Also, it's used mainly on the scroll, on to control data forms on the browser, to control the document of the browser. There are the main use of JavaScript. And we have, of course, several other use of JavaScript. Okay, this is our schema, and we are trying to make things easy to understand. Okay. Okay, I hope that you love this video. I hope that you understand more and more, because this is the introduction of JavaScript. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I will see you next video.